there and welcome to an Aliexpress makeup and glasses haul. Do I need glasses to read, to see? No, I don't. But I really like that Snapchat filter that was, you know, the big glasses and the freckles. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put freckles on. I'm going to have to go away and put freckles on in a minute because I wanted to put freckles on today and I forgot. I'm such a little fecker at times. But anyway, I love that filter and I just thought I need some in real life. I want to have a pair of pretentious glasses. I don't know when I'm going to wear these. I don't know if they're going to be coming into the office with me. Maybe they will if I've got like an important business meeting where I want to look extremely professional and intelligent. I got these from Aliexpress. Obviously they were about £4. I promise I will leave the product information, the sellers and the prices in the description box. I know that I fail on doing this a lot, but okay, here come the excuses. Okay, are you ready? Because I upload my videos at home and then because I never have any time for anything, I always write my descriptions when I'm in work, but for some reason my Aliexpress app never fucking works over the work Wi-Fi. IT sort this situation out right now, so then I never get to actually write in the seller's information and I think, oh, I'll do it later when I get home, and then I forget, of course, because I'm thinking of makeup all the time, so I just forget, like literally. So I am sorry. I promise I will try to get better at that. But anyway, these are my fucking glasses. What are we thinking about this right now? And I'm really pissed off because you can see the LED diamonds that I've got in my windows in the glasses. Look, they've got a bit of colour to them as well, which is, you know, a sassy little surprise, I feel. But anyway, I love these and I'm going to keep them on for the rest of the video. I'm going to put some freckles on my nose though because I really want to try and reenact the filter, because also another update, I don't have Snapchat anymore. I used to love Snapchat so much, but I found that at the beginning when I first got it, it used to eat my battery up like nothing else. Like literally it was a battery destroyer. And recently, like in the last month, every time I would open it, it would shut down on me like at random times, and I'd try and read someone's message, it would disappear, and then I'd go back in, couldn't find the message. I just find that Snapchat pissed me off. Like it fecked me right off. And even though I loved it at the beginning, it was like a, you know, relationship that just ended. We fell out of love. Well, we didn't fall out of love. They were acting like a fecking tosser. So I ended it. And I'm going to try and download it or upload it. What's the correct terminology? No idea. So is that IT? Hello there. Okay, could you just let me know if I get an app on my phone, am I downloading the app or am I uploading the app? Also, just whilst you're on the phone, can you sort out the work Wi-Fi so that I can go on the Aliexpress app whilst I'm at work, so that all of my subscribers are not so disappointed, and rightfully so, when I upload a video and I don't put any product info in the description? Thank you. I mean, really. Anyway, guys, let me just do my freckles and I'll be back. Okay, so she's back. She's done the freckles. I hope my glasses aren't annoying you, by the way. Please feel free to let me know in the comments if they're annoying you, and I'll never wear them again on camera. Okay, but guys, prepare your panties right now. Strap them in because I have a few really exciting palettes. Some of these have come from recommendations by you guys, and other ones I just spotted and I said, yes, pop it in the fecking basket. I begin with two palettes by UCANBE. The first one is this glow kit and it's in the shade Crystal Sugar. This is the packaging and this is a highlight palette. So as you can see, we've got 3 different highlighters. This instantly reminds me quite a bit of the Kat Von D. What's her palette called? I don't know, but oh guys, shh, I forgot. Cat's under the bed still. Oh my, no, nothing, Cat. No, there's nothing happening up here. I was just showing everyone my new glasses. I was just talking about Matte Mon E. No, I didn't mention Kat Von D. Not at all. Cat, it's okay. Get back under there, Cat. It's okay. Go back to sleep. Nothing to see here. I mean, really. Oh my gosh. So this is the palette. We've got 3 different highlighters. We've got, oh my gosh, this one looks so good. I've not even looked at this. Like, this is literally the first time I properly looked at this. And, oh my gosh, like, oh my gosh, these are so majestical, because you look at them, right, and you just think, okay, you've got like a peachy shade, like a, I don't know, what is that? Oh my god, it's gorgeous, guys. I want to swatch it. Should we swatch it? Why not? Obviously I am going to be testing this out, but I literally cannot not swatch this right now. So it's so sexily soft. Oh my gosh. It reminds me of my nail polish. Well, it doesn't. It reminds me of my nail polish before I put the metallic green on. Guys, this is so unique. Like, I've not seen any shade. Oh, like literally my derriere was not prepared for this today. Let me take the glasses off. I'm going to take the glasses off because I want to be able to see. But it's kind of like green, and then it's got almost a hint of like pink in it. Oh my gosh, like, guys, this looks so good. And then we have the peachy shade, and we have the purple shade. Oh, guys, this is like my favorite kind of highlight situation ever. Like, I'm a huge fan of duochrome, and I just feel like the formula. Oh my gosh, thank you to everyone that recommended this palette to me, because I just have a feeling that I'm going to love this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, like, and for a powder formula, they feel exceptionally kind of smooth and silky going on. And they've just got this beautiful, like, duochrome kind of look to them. Oh my gosh, guys, like, I cannot wait to try this. I might actually have to film this video after filming the Aliexpress haul. Shall I do it? Yes, I fucking shall. Okay, so this video will probably be coming up tomorrow, because I'm definitely going to film it straight after this haul. Okay, right, I'm going to be meeting with you in just a sec, and we're going to just check that whole little cardboard box of beauty out. I mean, really. Okay, so next we have another product by UCANBE. This again, and I'm going to have to whisper this because we don't want Kat to get all, you know, anxious again, but this is definitely taking inspiration from the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. Look, I actually believe now that Kat's under my bed. Like, and if you've not seen any other videos like of mine ever, or my last haul video, this will just look totally like bizarre to you. Like, I keep talking about Kat Von D being under my bed. Look, I'm whispering as if she's actually there. Like, I firmly believe, like, in my mind, I've got Kat Von D hiding under my bed, getting super sassy about products that take inspiration from her or just rip her off. But anyway, she's not under the bed. Is she under the bed? Like, I've got to just check now. You know, like, you just need to check. Kat? No, she's not there. She's really not there. Okay, right, that's it. I'm going to have to end the cat thing now because I actually believe she was there. Anyway, so guys, back to the palette. So, as you can see, it's this triangular kind of shape. And if we pop it open, inside, we've got 4, what I imagine will be duochrome kind of eyeshadows, highlights, you know, whatever you want to use them for. They look interesting. I do have a, let me get it, I'll just go grab it. So I do have the actual like fake Alchemist palette that I got from eBay. Oh my gosh, it's super powdery. Why are you so powdery? Oh my gosh, like a load of powder just popped out. But this is the fake one. And then if I just show you for a comparison, like this is the one that I've just bought from Aliexpress. And the first thing that I immediately notice is like these, the formula of the fake one is just so powdery, and also the 4 different shades don't actually look that different. They are when you apply them, but they don't look that different in the palette, whereas these ones do look pretty different. I'm really interested to try the UCANBE version of this palette. I love the fake one. I must say, I absolutely love the fake one. If you do buy it, just as I always, keep in mind it is fake, so approach it with a caution. Super excited to give this one a go. It just says on the back, an eye, lip and face transformer palette. I feel like this would be like a really like super weapon, you know, if someone is just invading your personal space, just like do them in the eye with this and they'll be gone out of your life. They will not invade your personal space again. Anyway, so that looks like a great palette. I'm going to be testing that out super soon. Okay, so next I got this palette, right? And then when this turned up, I didn't have any recollection of actually having bought this palette because it says WHUDA, and I'm not actually buying like fake makeup anymore. So I was thinking, excuse me, who are you? Like, what is this? So I kind of opened it up. Okay, now it's looking like a Kylie effort. So they're ripping off Huda Beauty, they're ripping off Kylie, and this is called the Illumination palette. And if I just open her up, this is what she looks like, right? So I bought this because obviously the pictures of it seemed really, really pretty, but I don't know why. I just don't have high hopes for it. I just feel like it's going to be quite chalky and powdery. And I know that's probably like really wrong of me to like judge it before I've even tried it. And I've done that before and I've ended up loving the product. There's been times when I've got really excited about a product and it's turned out to be absolutely like bollocks. So, I mean, I suppose we can only like just test this out. Shall we do a little swatch? Because my eye is being drawn to this peachy shade. Oh my gosh, it actually, sorry, I know I've got a highlight on like every digit right now, but it's this middle one and it's actually looking really pretty. Oh my gosh, like really. Let's do a little swatch there. Not bad. Look at my hand. It's just looking so good right now. I mean, really. Okay, so guys, do you know what? Maybe I have misjudged the palette. I will try this out soon and I just can't wait. Like, I'm so excited and I feel so like grateful to have all of this makeup to try out. This is like what I love doing most, other than obviously hanging out with my kids and honeys, but I just get such a thrill from testing the makeup out. I'm just so excited like to try it. I hope that you are too, but if you're not, then that's fine too. I understand, but she's so excited. I mean, really. Okay, so moving away from palettes, because I know it's been a bit palette heavy so far in the video, but I picked up this set of liquid lipsticks. This is by the Beauty Glazed brand. I tried out a couple of their eyeshadow palettes and I absolutely love them. I've been so impressed with them, but I don't believe I've actually tried any of their like lip products yet, so I was just really keen to give this one a go. So if I just kind of open it and you can have a little look. I've not even opened this yet, like this is the first time I'm viewing it. Okay, so we've got 6 different liquid lipsticks. You've got nudes, you've got like, that reminds me of Androgyny a bit from Jeffree Star. And then we've got like a red and then a pink. I feel like I would love to do a lip swatch video using this set, and I can like talk you through the formula and we can just have a look at, you know, what they're actually like. This cost about £4. It was under £5. So I feel like if these are actually good, that would be like a really like good value kit. Please could you let me know if you would like to see like a lip swatch video with this set. Just let me know and I will be so excited to do that for you. That kind of brings us to the end of the video. Hope that you enjoyed this haul. To be quite honest with you, like I am just seriously so eager to try out the Glow Kit by UCANBE. Oh, it just looks so good. Oh my gosh, right, I'm so excited to give this one a go. I'm going to go away, film this video now. It will be coming up tomorrow or maybe the day after. Thank you so much, as always, for watching the video. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with more.